Mango, coconut, apple, orange.
Inuubos mo ba yung barya ko? Bili ako ng coke. I want some coke. You want some coke? That's how you say it. May malamig po kayong coke?
Meron, sir.
Saya. Coke? Water. Coke, water. Coke, water. Coke. Dalawa po. Dalawa lang.
Watch your head, watch your steps.
Skylar, you go sideways.
Watch your head, malalim yung ibang steps.
Sideways ka.
And then ulo, dandahan. Take your time. Protect your pedicure. Slowly, watch your head, sir.
Go sideways, it's a
Ma'am, be careful ha. Don't forget that we enter a cave, not a mall. So you must take your time, have mercy on your attire. Pagmamadali, kasi yung kahapon sa sobrang pagmamadali, nag-shortcut talaga dito. Ginawa 1 step lang yung 7 step. So yung kasubinan yung bukod sa kagasgas. Ay, hindi malalim mo. Medyo big step mo siya. Yeah. Ang Miss Universe. Careful yun.
Kita mo sila ng video?
Malalim yung ibang steps. Look up. Huwag gagalaw. Start now. Okay, 3, 2, and wow. Undeletable. Oh, see the picture before you react, sir, ma'am.
Ba? Ayun na.
Diba? Colorful. Parang may sinampay. Ay, ma'am, wait muna, ma'am. Ako muna kasi ako yung guide. And then, sir, ma'am, next spot. Sa may hagdan na. Opo. Kuwat ebidensya na hinagdaan siya kasi may hagdan pa. Sa susunod na bike nyo dito, escalator na to. Okay. Dahan-dahan na baba. Careful and carefree. Hindi dito tayo mga.
Okay na dyan.
Sige na, maganda.
Reach and last, ma'am. Dito ka. Para kita natin mga. Careful, yung pedicure, madami siyan. So may liwanag ka, ma'am? So, this your background, ma'am. Okay, umaura ka. Hold your mouth, breathe, and some candid pose of yours. So by the way po pala, sir, ma'am, yung cave po pala, tinawag siyang hinagdanan. Hindi po dahil sa may hagdan din. Dahil po sa butas ng taas. So kaya binagod kayo sa picture natin. Yan yung original entrance yung dati, na-discover yan 16th century, that was 1500s. Accidentally lang, nung pagbunot na may-ari sa datang kahoy, nagkabutas. So naging curious sila kung gano'ng kalalim, kung kaya hinulog nila ng bato, imbis na mag-i-ito yung bato, nag-splash yung tubig. So doon sila na-surprise. Kung kaya, gumawa sila na native na hagdan, pababa. Doon sila yung pangalan, hinagdanain. Yung pababa nila dito, ito nakita na sila, maluwang pala siya. Kung kaya naging source for taguan to ng Second World War, and then source for drinking and food. Bumati yung 1980s, discovery yung bagong grupo. Inakala nila may ibang cave, so nilagay nila yung butas. Pagbaba nila, konektado lang pala dito. Buti may discover na hindi mahirap pasukin, kaysa dyan dadaan hanggang ngayon. Buwis buhay. Pero hanggang ngayon na-entrance pa rin yan. So walang ticket. Dyan daan for free. Now, we call that suicidal entrance. Marami nang problemang natubos dyan. Pati yung problema. May problema na wala dyan. Antayin natin sila, mama. Tapos out.
So nice.
While walking slowly, be. While walking, keep smiling. God is watching. Always show me your smile, even the others are not. Perfect. Show me just the way you are. Wow. The celebrities. Paangat na kasi nainita na. Diyan muna tayo, sir, ha? Careful, pounder. Dahan-dahan. There you go, you're welcome. Yun, perfect. Ang ganda ng ngiti kasi papalabas na. Dandaan sa pag-angat ha, baka bumalik sa butas. Welcome to the outside world now. Yeah. So. Careful. Slowly ha, slowly. Dandahan lang. Yun, perfect ma'am. Maliwanag na siya ma'am. Relax and retouch muna. We lost a lot of calories inside. Imbornal is real. Dandahan. Dandahan.
Pag pumunta kayo dito, hanapin nyo si
Yeah,
Kuya Benji. Ayan.
They don't have Coke.
You don't drink Coke, Skylar.
How about you? We have orange apple juice. Yes, Mom.
Pwede ba tanduay? Makatulog,
Pwede.
makatulog na. Kulit eh.
Mom. Yeah, what?
Free from its head, 6 meters away from its tail. You are not allowed to swim above, below, or in front because the eyes of the whale shark is set aside, not in the front. So for your own safety, just swim side by side at least 2 meters. The most important thing, no touching of the whale shark because there's a penalty of 10,000 if you intentionally touch the whale shark. So no food allowed on the boat, just bring only water and a small water bag. Viewing time, 30 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes from shoreline to the side. Okay, then we have free goggles, beater, and life jacket. Please handle it with care.
Kaya nga eh. So mag-whale watching naman tayo ngayon, third day natin whale watching. Ayan.
Tulong, pilong.
Right? Oh. Ito siya, oh.
Dinadala pala nila sa bangsa
Oh, yung nagbabangka.
para lumapit. Laki, no?
Bawal ko. Yes. Okay. No touch. No touch.
Iilag naman siya.
Oh my God. Ay, tama na siya. Oh, nakita mo yung ano niya. Oh, ang laki na. Oh, look at the tail. Oh, yan. Haba.
I don't have one. It's in the car.
What the frick? Oh, so messy. Ano muna? Ano, appetizer? Ano pa ba? Ano pa pag gusto niyo appetizer?
Guess what?
What?
The one piece of crab is 2,040.
That's $50.
Yes.
Okay.
You serious?